Okay, let us continue with the chapter, the second part of the chapter. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something uh, or from each of them, a hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. So he told his friend Charlie that it was very difficult to track these items, these oldest and ancient animals, and to take out something from their body. Now sometimes he had collected a hair from someone's body, an eyebrow, or hair from the eyebrow, or that between the two toes there is some जैम ना, कुछ गंदगी जो पैरों की उंगलियों के बीच में इकट्ठी हो जाती है जानवर के, तो कभी उसको वो निकालनी पड़ी गंदगी when they are sleeping, when those animals were sleeping. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the shekrok, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squirrel. So these are the things who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. So these are the various creatures that he gone through, and he had collected something or the other from these various creatures. Now, but there's no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. Now he told Charlie that I don't have time to tell you everything what I have done, and what I had collected, and which creatures I have gone through to collect those items. So I'm in hurry. Now what I did, I put all the things that I had collected from these creatures, oldest creatures of the earth. I mixed everything in my inventing room in the big jar, and I boil it, and it was bubbling, and I mixed many things, and I do testing also. After doing all testing and mixing, only a little cupful of oily black liquid was prepared, and I gave only few drops to a Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa is a club, na? So one member of that club was ready to have that drops of the new experiment, new invention of Mr. Wonka. तो उम्पा लुम्पा जो वॉलंटियर था, उसका एक वॉलंटियर रेडी हो गया था उसके ड्रॉप्स पीने के लिए. तो ही गेव few drops of that liquid to that 24-year-old person. Now after when he consumed that 4 to 5 drops of that black oily liquid, what happened? What did happen? Charlie asked. Charlie was also very curious to know what happened. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie was Vita Wonk invented. Now he said the result was very, very good, very excellent when I gave, when that fellow consumed, when he swallowed those drops of black liquid, he all of a sudden he started wrinkling. उसके मुंह पे झुर्रियाँ पड़ने शुरू हो गई, उसका शरीर ढलना शुरू हो गया, उसके बाल गिरने शुरू हो गए, उसके दांत टूट के गिरने शुरू हो गए, और मैं कुछ समझ पाता उससे पहले अचानक से वो एक 25 years old आदमी बन गया. एंड दस, और इस तरह से चार्ली मेरा वीटा वोंग इन्वेंट हुआ. पहले earlier he invented wonk vitae who that made the people younger, and now he created vita wong which made the people older. So this is all about the story.